This is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor, teach teens and adults. I've been doing driver's training 21 years, so we're going to do a tutorial driving through a parking lot. We're in North America. You want to drive on the right side of the road. What I'm doing, I'm scanning left, middle, and right. I'm scanning for baskets, kids, people popping up, delivery trucks. You want to roll very carefully. I'm at about 6 miles an hour, covering my brake, taking my time. If you don't know what covering the brake is, your foot's near the brake or on the brake. I see that car right there. I'm scanning left and right. I'm going to be making a left-hand turn. I'm deliberately looking for cars. You see me looking left, right, and left, taking my time. I'm scanning. I'm not staring at any one thing. I'm looking, I'm coming up, then I'm gonna turn hand over hand. And I'm turning out slowly, covering my brake. I see pedestrians, they always have the right of way. We are the straight road, cars are waiting. I'm scanning, I'm looking, there's a pedestrian walking between two cars, I yield. Always yield for pedestrians, let them walk across. You take your time, you scan, you look, and proceeding up slowly. I see the gentleman getting ready to get baskets. He has the neon vest on. I'm scanning left and right, always looking around. This warning sign means pedestrian crossing, but pedestrians don't always follow. This is a blind corner coming up, meaning you can't see. They don't have a blinker on. They don't have a blinker on. Always look, always check. Now they turned on their blinker. So I'm looking left, right, left, and I'm scanning. I'm gonna make my hand over hand turn to the right. Always turn in the nearest lane, and I turn out hand over hand. I'm looking, I'm scanning. Here's another tip. Obviously, beginning drivers tend to look straight, so basically you would drive right off the road. I'm looking, I'm scanning. You can see people speeding through. I'm just taking my time, being patient. There's no sense in being in a hurry. Take your time, learn about the car. There's a new warning sign. There's a new traffic signal up ahead. My blinker's on. We're at the same spot at the same time. That's hilarious how people always do that, but they don't have on the blinker. I have on my blinker. Always signal your intention. We're taking our time.